Ever dream of quitting your day job and becoming a social media millionaire? Well, what if I told you TikTok could be your ticket to financial freedom? In this video, we're breaking down exactly how to earn $10,000 per month with just 4 simple steps. So, grab your phone, unleash your creativity, and get ready to turn those viral views into serious cash. Step 1. Finding your niche and building an audience. This is the foundation of your TikTok earnings journey. Here's a breakdown of how to find your niche and build a captivated audience. Why niche matters. Focused content attracts a more targeted audience interested in your specific offerings. You become a recognized expert within your niche, building trust and credibility. Easier to tailor content and optimize videos for the TikTok algorithm. Researching trending niches on TikTok. Explore the Discover page and trending hashtags to see what content is popular. Look at what successful creators in your potential niche are doing. Use tools like TikTok Trendsetter to identify trending topics and sounds. Identifying your strengths and interests. What are you passionate about or have expertise in? Consider a niche that allows you to showcase your skills or personality. The best niche combines your passion with potential audience interest. Content ideas for your niche. Brainstorm creative content formats that resonate with your niche audience. Examples: educational tutorials, product reviews, comedy sketches, behind-the-scenes glimpses, etc. Focus on providing value and entertainment to your viewers. Creating engaging thumbnails and video titles. First impressions matter. Craft eye-catching thumbnails that reflect your video content. Use clear, concise, and keyword-rich titles that pique viewers' curiosity and encourage clicks. Consider using emojis and numbers strategically to make your title stand out. Pro tip: conduct audience research through polls and Q&A sessions to understand what content your target audience craves. This will help you refine your niche and tailor content effectively. Step 2. Mastering the TikTok Creativity Program. The TikTok Creativity Program is a monetization program designed to reward creators for high-quality, engaging videos. By joining this program, you can earn money directly through views on your content. Here's a deep dive into what you need to know. What is the TikTok Creativity Program? The Creativity Program allows creators to earn money from views on their videos. However, it's currently in a beta phase, meaning it's not open to everyone yet. Here are some key points to remember. Earning potential. While specific payouts aren't publicly disclosed, creators report earnings between 2 cents and 4 cents per 1,000 views. This translates to roughly $20 to $40 per million views. Benefits. Beyond direct monetization, the program offers benefits like access to exclusive features, analytics tools, and support from TikTok. Eligibility requirements. Before diving in, make sure your account meets the following criteria. Age. You must be at least 18 years old. Followers. You need a minimum of 10,000 followers. Video views. Your videos must have garnered at least 100,000 views in the last 30 days. Only authentic views count, so focus on organic growth. Account type. Personal accounts are eligible. Business accounts are not. Content. Your content must comply with TikTok's community guidelines and terms of service. Location. Currently, the program is available in select regions like the US, Brazil, France, Germany, Japan, Korea, and the UK. Optimizing videos for the Creativity Program. Here are some strategies to create videos that perform well within the program. Video length. Focus on creating videos longer than 1 minute. Longer formats allow for deeper storytelling and higher engagement, potentially leading to more watch time. Content quality. Maintain high production value. This includes good lighting, clear audio, and well-edited visuals. Engagement. Encourage audience interaction through prompts, questions, and calls to action. Originality. Create unique and engaging content. While trends are great, stand out by adding your spin or insights. Completion rate. Aim for videos that viewers watch until the end. This shows high audience interest. Avoid restricted content. Don't include content like duets, stitches, ads, or sponsored content in videos intended for the Creativity Program. Step 3. Exploring monetization options beyond the Creativity Program. The TikTok Creativity Program is a fantastic way to earn money directly through your content. But it's not the only option. Here's a deep dive into additional monetization strategies you can leverage on TikTok. 1. Leverage TikTok Shop to sell products. What is TikTok Shop? TikTok Shop is a built-in feature that allows creators to sell products directly within the app. You can link your Shopify store or integrate with other e-commerce platforms. How to use TikTok Shop. Ensure you meet TikTok Shop eligibility requirements. Varies by region. Link your product catalog or create one within TikTok. Showcase your products in engaging videos. Highlight features, benefits, and use cases. Use clear calls to action, directing viewers to your product page within TikTok Shop. Tips for success. Partner with high-quality product suppliers. Offer exclusive discounts or promotions for your TikTok audience. Run targeted ad campaigns within TikTok to reach potential customers. 2. Partner with brands for affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing involves promoting another brand's products and earning a commission for each sale generated through your unique affiliate link. Finding brands to partner with. Identify brands relevant to your niche. Look for brands with established affiliate programs. Reach out to brands directly or join affiliate marketing networks. Creating engaging branded content. Develop creative video concepts that authentically showcase the brand's products. Disclose any affiliate partnerships transparently within your videos. Include your unique affiliate link in your video description and bio. 3. Building an audience and offering consulting services. The power of a loyal audience. By consistently creating high-quality content and engaging with your audience, you establish yourself as an expert in your niche. Consulting services you can offer. Social media management for businesses in your niche. TikTok marketing strategy development. Content creation services for other brands. One-on-one coaching for aspiring TikTok creators. Promoting your services. Briefly mention your consulting services in some videos. Create a dedicated video showcasing your expertise and the value you offer. Include a clear call to action, directing viewers to a landing page or contact details for inquiries. 4. Finding brands and products for promotion. Look for brands reaching out to creators through TikTok Creator Marketplace, beta program. Network with other creators in your niche who do brand collaborations. Research brands commonly advertised on TikTok within your niche. Directly contact brands that align with your content and values. By implementing these strategies alongside the TikTok Creativity Program, you can diversify your income streams and build a sustainable career on the platform. Remember, building trust and credibility with your audience is key to success in any of these monetization methods. Step 4. Consistency and growth strategies. In the world of TikTok, consistency is king or queen. People crave a steady stream of content they can look forward to. Here's how consistent posting helps you earn that 10K. The TikTok algorithm rewards creators who consistently post high-quality content. The more you post, the more opportunities for your videos to be shown to new viewers. Consistent posting creates a sense of anticipation. Your audience knows when to expect your next video and is more likely to check back regularly. Consistent posting keeps your profile active and fresh in people's minds. This leads to a snowball effect. More views, more followers, and ultimately, more opportunities to monetize. Remember, consistency and strategic growth are an ongoing process. By continuously creating great content, engaging with your audience, and adapting to the ever-evolving platform, you'll be well on your way to earning that 10K a month on TikTok. Want to see more ways to make money online? Then don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell so you never miss a video. And remember, with the right strategy, success on TikTok can be just a few clicks away.